You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bug.
Hey guys, girls. Hey, quick video. I did not think to record any of this in the beginning. I don't know why, but we're in a 95 240 SX. It's been switched to right hand. You can see there. Lowered, had a little wide body thing going on it. See, S14 front end, so it makes it a S14.5. And been doing little stuff to it, trying to get it road/drift ready. What we got going on here? Damn beard, dust, damn it. But the hydro brake was only being held in by 2 studs. So what I'm going to do is drill all the way through here, tap it using an M6 tap, and put these 2 in, so it's not, you know, lopping to one side when you pull on it. Also, we have center console that was packed up, and I just put some ABS plastic in it, put some load fuser. Still gonna clean this up, sand it down a little bit, make it nice and smooth. And we also have the switch panel was just, so this was sitting over here, right there, and the radio / other things here, thingamajigs, was sitting like that, with a switch panel just screwed in here. So again, ABS plastic, and cut the holes for the switches that's going there. We're gonna find something to put here, not sure yet. Can't do too much since the hydro brake is sitting there. But I don't know why I didn't think to make a video at the beginning of all this, but nonetheless, here it is. I'm gonna get to work drilling these holes, tap them out, and then we go from there. Well, quick, short, easy video. Interior trim pieces. S14.5 drift car. So there you have it, guys. Quick, short, and sweet. All right. Appreciate y'all watching, and let me go jump on the bumper and get that finished up so we can throw primer and hopefully paint by next weekend. We can piece this car together. Oh, by the way, metal door panels for the doors, is, you know, there's no skin, so we got to get that done. She's planning on getting new seats also. So all right, appreciate y'all watching. As always, thank you so much for the support. And I know it's starting to get warm in some areas, but sweatshirts are still available. Pink ones, 30 plus shipping, and the navy blue ones come with a beanie. Those are 40 plus shipping. So hit me up, DM, Facebook, email, what have you. All everything is in the description. Just hit me up and I'll get one sent out to you. All right, appreciate you guys. Love you so much.